In the spring of 1836, the Champlain Valley faced an unexpected foe, a relentless flood. Heavy rains and melting snow converged to create a torrent that swept through towns, obliterating homes and displacing thousands. Witnesses report scenes of devastation, where families clung to rooftops, desperately waiting for rescuers. The floodwaters rose dangerously, damaging infrastructure and altering the course of the Saranac River for decades to come. Survivors recalled their heroic escapes and the tight-knit community that emerged from the chaos, illustrating the resilience of the human spirit in times of disaster.